So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. You can now check for updates again, see if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once this comes up, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. And then click on yes to run the Windows Update diagnostics. You want to follow through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. And now once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.